Meteorologist Bill Guile. Brought to you by the Preserve Sporting Club and Resort.
All right, if you happen to see the Easter Bunny running around on Sunday, just take some photos of that and send it in. All right, here we go. This is what we're dealing with. So we had some heavier rains earlier this morning. Now, most of the heavy activity is now working through the Cape Cod Bay area and about to head on out to sea. Still some lingering, very light shower activity, spotty drizzle still left over here and there, but otherwise we're tending to dry out now over the next hour or so. With the cloud cover in place, our temperatures really haven't moved, and the rain that's been in the areas basically holding us right around 46 degrees, all our checkpoints. But as we look off to the west, there's another intrusion of colder air coming down from the northern plains. Look at Bismarck, North Dakota at 27 degrees. Most of the region, though, as you get down towards Nebraska and into Kansas, the temperatures are into the 40s. And this is the little cooler slot that's going to be coming our way for tomorrow behind a frontal system. The second of two fronts. The first one went on through this one. That's what's triggering the rain showers. But there's a cold front that's coming in for this afternoon and this evening. And then behind it, we'll get that reinforcing shot of cooler air coming out of the Great Lakes for tomorrow, just for a day. But things are starting to quiet down finally across the country. So high pressure is dominating much of the western half of the U.S. So we got to get through this system. All right, so this is what we're dealing with for today. We're between the fronts now, the warm front having crossed the region. And as we get into the afternoon, we'll see some breaks of sunshine. That'll get our temperatures heading up into the 60s until this front comes in for the evening with another round of showers and perhaps even a brief heavier downpour that could contain some small hail. And then we get that little reinforcement shot of cooler air coming in late tonight, and we'll be in and out of the clouds for tomorrow. It'll be windy and certainly cooler by comparison, only in the low 50s. But that's it. We'll see high pressure return for Thursday and Friday. That gets us back to the sunshine and a little warming trend. But let's deal with what's going on right now. So as we go through the morning hours, the clouds will start to break up a little bit, and we'll see some brightening as we get into the afternoon. We could be heading temperatures around 60 degrees at lunchtime. And as we get into those afternoon hours, enough sunshine can warm areas around Smithfield up to around 66 to 68 degrees, about 63 Providence. But it stays cooler along the south coast because the wind's coming right off the water during the afternoon. Here comes that next round of showers around the dinner time hour, and this is when we could have a little brief small bit of hail coming through, but that's it. And then we dry out for the overnight with temperatures falling back to the upper 30s to around 40 degrees. And during the day tomorrow, it's a cooler, windy day with highs only in the low 50s, and those winds steady 12 to 20 miles an hour, gusting to 30, maybe 35. All right, heading into Friday, dry day with the mild temperatures in place, but clouds are increasing ahead of the next weather system for Saturday, which will bring some showers our way. And that's all it looks to be at this point in time. And it clears on out of here just in time for your Easter Sunday. So again, after we cool down for tomorrow, you can see the warming trend into the weekend with the showers on Saturday. We're going well into the 60s. Looks pretty nice on Easter Sunday, around 60 degrees. Hey, if you're heading up to Marathon Monday in Boston area, things are looking pretty good for the race as well.